Good morning everyone. Today I am Keshav Nahar going to study a topic of computer graphics such as compression and in which we study lossless and lossy compression technique, image compressions. Our main goal is to explain the concept of lossless and lossy compression techniques with a focus on image compression. Our objective to understand the difference between lossless and lossy compression, learn about common compression algorithm, explore the application of image compression in digital media. Overview: what is compression? Definition: reducing the file size by eliminating redundant or unnecessary data. What is the purpose of compression? Save the storage and space, speed up the transmission and optimize the performance. Now, overview of the topic we are going to study: introduction to compression, types of compression, lossless compression and lossy compression, image compression techniques, compression such as lossless versus lossy, application of compression, summary, and the reference we are taken to create this PPT. Our objective: by the end of this presentation, you will be able to define the compression and its importance, differentiate between lossless and lossy compression, identify the common image compression techniques, evaluate whether and why each method is used. Now let us start with introduction. Compression is a process of reducing the size of the data used to save the storage, reduce the transmission time and increase the efficiency. There are majorly two types: lossless and lossy. Compression is a process of reducing the size of the data to save the storage space or the transmission time. It plays a crucial role in areas like as file storage, multimedia, image, video, data transmission and network. Compression can be broadly categorized into two types: lossless compression. What is lossless compression? No data is lost. Originality can be restored. Lossy compression. Some data is lost with higher compression ratio. Types of compression. Lossless compression preserves the originality of the data. Example: zip, PNG, FLAC, that includes audio. Algorithm: Hoffman coding, LZW, Lempel, Ziv, Welch encoding. Now, lossless compression sacrifices some data for higher compression. Examples such as JPG, image type, MP3, audio type, MPEG, video type. Algorithm: discrete cosine transformation, DCT. Quantization: uses of compression, digital media and web. Image: JPG/PNG for faster web page loading. Video: MPV4, H.264 for streaming, YouTube or Netflix. Audio such as MP3/Spotify use lossless compression. Use of compression: data storage and transfer, zip/RAR files. Lossless compression for documents. Cloud storage reduces servers cost. Example: Google Drive. Use of compression in medical and scientific field. DCOM, lossless MRI/CT scan storage. Genomics, compress DNA sequence databases. Use of compression in gaming and VR. Texture compression, GPU friendly formats such as BCN, ASTC. Real-time assets such as real-time asset. Reduce the lag in open world games. Image compression techniques such as JPG, lossy. Discrete cosine transformation based. PNG type, lossless. Deflate the compression algorithm. GIF, lossless type. LZW compression balances the quality and the file size. Lossy compression removes the unnecessary data with approximation. Common algorithms such as JPG, image type, MP3, audio type, MPEG, video type, used in media where the perfect quality is not essential. Lossless compression, perfect reconstruction of the original data, common algorithms, run file encoding, Hoffman encoding, LZW used in PNG and GIF, used in text, legal docs, PNG image and medical files. Compression table. Features: lossless and lossy. Quality: no loss, some loss. Compression ratio: lower, in case of that higher. File recovery: 100% recoverable, in case of other not fully recoverable. Use cases: text, PNG and GIF, and the use cases of other one is JPG, MP3 and MPEG. Applications of that: web, faster loading image, JPEG. Cloud storage, efficiently store with compression. Multimedia streaming videos and music. Medical imaging, use of lossless compression for accuracy. Now let us recall what we have studied till now by a summary. Compression reduces the data size efficiently. Lossless is perfect quality. Lossy is smaller file. Choosing the right technique depends on the use case. Now let us discuss what the references we had taken to create this PPT. Course note and lecture. Wikipedia, digital image processing by Rafael C. Gonzalez. Fundamentals of multimedia by Zhen Nian Li. That's all for today. Thank you. We will meet further. Thank you, my friends.